Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you all are doing well. Today we're going to be doing a video with Premier Lace Wigs. I recently did a video with their hair wearing a waterway texture and it was really gorgeous. So I'm excited to see what this one's going to look like. And y'all, this is Yaki straight and y'all already know. I love that texture. And I told y'all, everybody doesn't do this texture justice. So we're going to see if Premier Lace killed it or not. All right, so we have a wig grip. Comes with a lot of stuff in the box. Elastic band, you have a flyaway tamer. You have wig caps, and look who's front and center on the maintenance guide. You love Megs. Yes. Okay, Premier Lace. Okay. Y'all making me happy. This is killer. Wow. This one feels awesome. And look at that length. Y'all, this is length 22. Where is this gonna stop on me? We about to see. Y'all, this is in a natural color. My cap size is a size medium. And I really hope it fits me. The last one, I had to kind of do a little extra work to make it fit. This one also has an elastic band, so it would be great if I actually don't have to use gel. Okay, let's see if it fits. And I really honestly can't even tell, like, with it just like this. You know what? I'm gonna cut the lace off, but I do want to show you all what the parting space looks like. And also the plucked hairline. I don't believe I'm gonna do anything to the hairline for this one. This hair is perfect. It is perfect. And when I tell you, you get a lot of hair, this is a lot of hair. Y'all know I'm feeling this. This is 180% density. And y'all, when they say thick or heavy density on websites, they were talking about this wig. This one is legit. You get a good amount of parting. This looks like maybe 5. No, this looks like maybe 4.5 inches of parting space. I thought it went back further. Y'all, we about to kill this. Yes, ma'am. I'm excited. Wow. This is a beauty. This one doesn't actually have a really defined kink at all, but it has a little bit of texture, just a slight bit. Just enough for it to be perfect. Premier Lace, you're doing a daggone thing. The knots are bleached and they were lightly done. The Sally Hansen is gonna help to tint the lace. So we're gonna do that and then we're gonna install it. I'm excited.
Far away, but still I've been closest. You should know I'm still holding on. Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over?
All right, it's time to see what we're working with. So I'm gonna try it with just the elastic band first to see how well it fits. And if I can just use the elastic band and that's it.
You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over? Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya? Yeah.
Okay, it's looking really good. However, I can't just use the elastic band. It's not tight enough. Unless there's an adjustable. Let me see if this one adjusts. It does. Okay, maybe this will work. All right. Okay. So we may be able to, and I think the only way that I'm going to be able to do it glueless is if I actually pull some behind my ear. Yeah, it still kind of sticks up. But that generally happens because of my hairline, and I don't know how my head is shaped. I have no idea, but this one, I'm gonna have to add some got to be glue. You know, this texture, I feel like it's a happy medium between the kinky straight and a normal Yaki straight. Like a silkier Yaki straight, if that makes sense. To me, I feel like this is a natural hair girl's dream, especially for her hair when it's straightened. This is how you want it to look. As you all can see, just having put the unit down with just the elastic band, it's laying flat. What is this? Oh, I had that sitting wrong. Like, look how good that looks. See, that's how it would look if it was laid. I think I may lay it down. Yeah, I'm gonna lay it down with the Got To Be glue.
Baby, call it. Don't you leave me on call it. Call it. Baby, call it. I admit I might be wasted. All your friends, I know they hate. You still running and I'm chasing. I don't know, I can't explain it. So can I come over? Can I come over? So why you telling me it's over? Are you telling me it's over? Ooh, girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, wanna roll up on ya. Say, can I roll up on ya? Yeah, can I roll up on ya? Don't you leave me on call it. Call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me on call it. Call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me on call it. Call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me on call it. Call it, baby, call it. Because you said you always. Yeah. Pick up when I call you. Yeah. You said you always. Hold me down when I call you. Yeah. Don't you leave me on call it. Go it, go it. Don't you leave me on call it. Go it, you know. Don't you leave me on call it, you know. Go it,
Y'all, you cannot tell me this is not my hair. It looks so freaking natural. Like, look at that hairline. Look at that. This looks amazing. My hair, it may be eternity. I don't know. It would take forever for my hair to get here. But this is glorious. I'm in love with it, y'all. And this unit is affordable. And I didn't do extreme baby hair. I just did light baby hair, and I was uncertain as to whether I even wanted to put the mousse on them because I didn't really want them to look very tamed. Because I feel like when us natural girls or someone with this texture wears it, they don't actually do the really sleek baby hair. I feel like it more so looks like this. Well, this is how I would wear it anyway. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna show you all some styles now with this unit. I'm not...
Yeah. I've been down so it look like. 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 It look like.
about 3 or 4 styles that you can do with this particular hair, and it looks so flawless, realistic, and natural. You could absolutely put this unit up because once again, it is a 360. Now, in order for me to do so, I have inserted the combs, but I will have to put maybe some bobby pins back here. And I've shown a very, very clever way to do that on another unit, and I'll link it in the cards above, so you all be sure to check that out. But it would look awesome even if you were to put it up. Like this style could work. Somebody would rock it. What y'all think? But I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I'm loving this hair. It just makes me so happy when I get really good Yaki straight hair, y'all. Just blesses my life. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Sharing is caring, so be sure to do that, guys. I love y'all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.